Welcome to the world of web development. Before you can create stunning websites, it's essential to understand the fundamental building blocks, HTML and CSS. These two technologies form the backbone of every website you visit. In this video, we'll explore what HTML and CSS are, how they work together, and why they're so important for anyone interested in web design or development. Whether you're a complete beginner or just brushing up on the basics, this journey will give you a solid foundation for your web projects. Let's dive in and start building your knowledge from the ground up. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page. It defines headings, paragraphs, images, links, and more. Without HTML, browsers wouldn't know how to display your content. As we move forward, you'll see how HTML tags work and how they help organize information so that both people and computers can understand it easily. Understanding HTML is the first step to becoming a web creator. Every HTML document follows a basic structure. It starts with a docdep declaration, followed by the HTML tag that wraps all content. Inside, you'll find the head section, which contains metadata like the page title, and the body section, where visible content lives. This structure helps browsers interpret your page correctly. As you build more complex websites, keeping this structure in mind will ensure your code remains organized and easy to maintain. HTML uses tags to mark up different parts of your content. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets like H1 for headings or P for paragraphs. Most tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. These tags tell the browser how to display each section of your page. By learning the most common tags, you'll be able to create structured and meaningful web pages that are easy to read and navigate. Headings and paragraphs are the foundation of any web page's content. HTML provides 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6, allowing you to organize your content hierarchically. Paragraphs are marked with the P tag, making your text easy to read. Using headings and paragraphs correctly not only improves readability but also helps search engines understand your content structure. Lists are a great way to organize information. HTML offers 2 main types: ordered lists, which are numbered, and unordered lists, which use bullet points. You can create lists using the all and ul tags, with each item wrapped in a lie tag. Lists make your content more digestible and visually appealing, especially when presenting steps or grouped information. Images bring life to your web pages. In HTML, you can add images using the im tag, specifying the source file and alternative text for accessibility. Images help illustrate your points, break up text, and make your site more engaging. Remember to use descriptive alt text so that everyone, including those using screen readers, can understand your content. Links connect your web pages to other pages or sites. The tag is used to create hyperlinks, allowing users to navigate easily. By setting the href attribute, you define where the link leads. Links are essential for building navigation menus, referencing sources, or guiding users through your site's content. When you need to display data in rows and columns, HTML tables are the answer. Using the table, tr, th, and td tags, you can organize information neatly. Tables are perfect for schedules, price lists, or any structured data. However, use them wisely. Don't rely on tables for page layout, as there are better tools for that. Forms allow users to interact with your website by submitting information. HTML provides the form tag, along with input elements like text fields, checkboxes, and buttons. Forms are essential for things like contact pages, surveys, and sign-up forms. By mastering forms, you can collect data and create interactive experiences for your visitors. Semantic HTML uses tags that describe the meaning of their content, like header, footer, article, and section. These tags make your code more readable and accessible, helping both browsers and assistive technologies understand your page's structure. Using semantic HTML is a best practice for modern web development. Now that you know how to structure content with HTML, it's time to make it look great with CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's used to style and lay out web pages. With CSS, you can change colors, fonts, spacing, and much more. It's the tool that transforms plain HTML into visually appealing websites. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. You can write CSS rules in a separate style sheet, inside a style tag, or directly on elements using the style attribute. CSS rules consist of selectors and declarations, allowing you to control the appearance of every part of your web page. Selectors are a key part of CSS. They target specific HTML elements so you can style them. For example, you can select all paragraphs with the P selector or target elements by class or ID. Mastering selectors gives you precise control over your site's design, making it easy to apply styles exactly where you want them. CSS lets you add color and backgrounds to your web pages. You can set text color, background color, or even use images as backgrounds. With just a few lines of CSS, you can dramatically change the look and feel of your site, making it more attractive and engaging for visitors. Typography is a big part of web design. CSS allows you to change fonts, adjust sizes, set bold or italic styles, and control line spacing. By choosing the right fonts and text styles, you can improve readability and give your site a unique personality that matches your brand or message. Spacing is crucial for a clean, organized website. CSS provides properties like margin, padding, and border to control the space around and inside elements. By mastering these properties, you can create layouts that are easy to navigate and visually balanced, enhancing the user experience. The CSS box model is a fundamental concept for layout. Every element is treated as a box with content, padding, border, and margin. Understanding how these parts interact helps you control the size and spacing of elements, ensuring your designs look just right on any screen. Links and buttons are key interactive elements on any website. With CSS, you can change their colors, add hover effects, and adjust their size or shape. Well-styled links and buttons improve usability and make your site more visually appealing, encouraging users to interact with your content. CSS isn't just for text, it also lets you style images and other media. You can control image size, add borders or shadows, and even create responsive images that look great on any device. These techniques help your media blend seamlessly with your site's overall design. Classes and IDs are powerful tools in CSS. By assigning a class or ID to an HTML element, you can apply specific styles to just that element or group of elements. This makes your code more flexible and reusable, allowing you to create consistent designs across your site. There are three main ways to add CSS to your HTML: inline styles, internal style sheets, and external style sheets. Each method has its own advantages. Inline styles are quick for small changes, internal style sheets are good for single pages, and external style sheets are best for larger sites. Knowing when to use each method helps you organize your code efficiently. Comments in CSS help you document your code, making it easier to understand and maintain. You can add comments using asterisk, and good comments explain why certain styles are used, making collaboration and future updates much smoother. Responsive design ensures your website looks great on all devices, from phones to desktops. CSS media queries let you apply different styles based on screen size. By embracing responsive design, you make your site accessible and user-friendly for everyone, no matter how they access it. Flexbox is a modern CSS layout system that makes it easy to arrange elements in rows or columns. With Flexbox, you can create flexible, responsive layouts without complex code. It's perfect for building navigation bars, galleries, and more, adapting smoothly to different screen sizes. CSS Grid is another powerful layout tool. It lets you create complex two-dimensional layouts with rows and columns. Grid is ideal for building page layouts, dashboards, and any design that needs precise alignment. Combining Grid with Flexbox gives you ultimate control over your site's structure. Transitions in CSS let you animate changes smoothly, such as when a button changes color on hover. By adding transitions, you can create a more dynamic and engaging user experience, making your site feel modern and interactive. CSS animations take things a step further, allowing you to create keyframe-based animations for elements. You can animate movement, color, size, and more. Animations can draw attention to important parts of your site or simply add a touch of fun and creativity. Pseudo-classes and pseudo-elements let you style elements based on their state or specific parts of them. For example, you can change a link's color when it's hovered or style the first letter of a paragraph. These tools give you even more control over your site's appearance. CSS variables, also known as custom properties, let you store values like colors or sizes and reuse them throughout your style sheet. This makes your code more maintainable and flexible, especially for larger projects where consistency is key. HTML and CSS work hand in hand. HTML provides the structure while CSS handles the presentation. By combining the two, you can build web pages that are both functional and beautiful. Understanding how they interact is essential for any web developer. Writing clean, well-organized code is crucial for web development. Use clear naming conventions, keep your HTML and CSS separate, and comment your code where necessary. Clean code is easier to debug, maintain, and share with others. Accessibility ensures that everyone, including people with disabilities, can use your website. Use semantic HTML, provide alt text for images, and ensure good color contrast. Making your site accessible is not just good practice, it's the right thing to do. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your website get found by search engines. Use proper headings, descriptive titles, and semantic tags to improve your site's visibility. Good HTML structure and clean CSS also contribute to better SEO. Modern browsers come with powerful developer tools that let you inspect HTML, tweak CSS, and debug your code in real time. Learning to use these tools can speed up your workflow and help you solve problems quickly. Version control systems like Git help you track changes to your code and collaborate with others. Even for solo projects, version control is invaluable for managing updates and rolling back mistakes. It's a must-have skill for modern web developers. Once your site is ready, you'll want to share it with the world. Hosting services let you upload your files so anyone can access your website online. There are many options, from free hosting for small projects to professional services for larger sites. Websites need regular updates to stay secure and relevant. Check your code for errors, update content, and keep your design fresh. Maintenance ensures your site continues to provide value and a great experience for visitors. There are countless resources available to help you learn HTML and CSS, from online tutorials and courses to books and community forums. Take advantage of these tools to deepen your understanding and stay up to date with the latest best practices. Even experienced developers make mistakes. Watch out for missing closing tags, incorrect selectors, or forgetting to test your site on different devices. By being aware of common pitfalls, you can save time and avoid frustration as you build your web projects. The best way to learn is by doing. Try building a simple web page using what you've learned about HTML and CSS. Start with a basic structure, add headings, paragraphs, images, and style it with CSS. Experiment and have fun, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore more advanced topics like CSS frameworks, preprocessors, or JavaScript. These tools can help you build more complex and interactive websites, taking your skills to the next level. Web technologies evolve quickly. Stay current by following industry news, joining online communities, and experimenting with new features. Continuous learning will keep your skills sharp and your websites modern. The web development community is vast and supportive. Collaborate with others, contribute to open source projects, and seek feedback on your work. Working with others can accelerate your learning and open up new opportunities. Congratulations on taking your first steps into web development. By mastering HTML and CSS, you've unlocked the foundation for creating amazing websites. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue building on what you've learned. The web is full of possibilities and your journey is just beginning.